It's where I'm supposed to be 9 to 5 every weekday. Fairly flexible, good. Lucky to have such a good boss to work for. Where are you? I can't see you.
Sir Henry, he's one of the best. And I hope you'll make it to the top.
You never know.
You will. You're young. I won't be alive.
Indeed you will.
Maybe to see it.
You know, I've always maintained that Obama is an Irish name. You just put the apostrophe after the O and we're all set.
Unity over division and sending a powerful message that change is coming to America.
You could see a slight resemblance in Henry. Just look there, look. Put away your hand there now. Yeah. Isn't he very like Henry? That hope.
You have his eyes. He has his ears. That's so cute.
I don't think the journey will end until Moneygall gets to have its long-lost ancestral son back home. I wonder would they let us in?